నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ టు 99 టీవీ. నేను పర్వీణిక. డీటెయిల్ చూస్తే 25 ఏళ్లలో హైదరాబాద్ ఎంతో అభివృద్ధి సాధించిందని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు అన్నారు. ఐటీ రంగం అభివృద్ధితో హైదరాబాద్ రూపురేఖలు మారిపోయాయని, భవిష్యత్తు కోసం ఇప్పటి నుంచే ప్రణాళికలు రూపొందించాలని చెప్పారు. 2 ఎకల వృద్ధి రేటు సాధించే అద్భుతాలు సృష్టించవచ్చని, P4 మెడల్ ద్వారా సమాజంలో మార్పులు వస్తాయని తెలిపారు.
And I had a very good experience with Tata also. We have done technology breakthroughs so many types, so many areas. That is the best experience for me. Here I had a track record. There is a proof of concept. Just like industrialist, I am also having that proof of concept. Not decades. Within 2.5 decades, Hyderabad is the proof of concept today. Most livable city in India. All you name in advanced technologies, everything, either pharma, IT, BT, or finance, sports, everything, hospitals, everything we have done. We promoted, our people have done extremely well. One example, if all of you can see, 25 years back, that is early 90s, Bill Gates invented internet. 91, India started economic reforms, introduced economic reforms. From then onwards, I want to take advantage of it. I started in Andhra Pradesh, second generation reforms. Now anywhere if you go, so many Indian entrepreneurs and Andhra entrepreneurs. India is having one advantage, biggest advantage. First mover in technology, demographic dividend as a windfall gain, entrepreneur skills on their blood. Every person, if you see, they are doing extremely well. And also, third one, if you see, most acceptable community globally. I can proudly say Indians are doing extremely well by serving the global community as on today. It will continue even for future. All these things are possible today. Again, we are having a right leader at right time. That is Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister today. Very stable government, 11 years. You are seeing all over the world, so many problems politically. In India, there is a strong.
చిలమత్తూరు మండలం